As you can tell, we're working up tomatoes today. Welcome back, everybody. I've had these tomatoes in the freezer until I had time to work with them. I just thawed them a little bit in the refrigerator just until I could get them out of the bag to put in my roaster. Our tomatoes didn't do as good this year, so I looked on the shelves, and tomato sauce is the main thing we need. I can take tomato sauce and make pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce just by changing the flavors. So we're going to do tomato sauce today. The best way I've learned to cook my tomatoes down is to put them in the roaster, put the lid on for about an hour or so, and then take the lid off. I start of the evening and then just put it on low and let it cook all night long. By morning, the sauce is real thick and I can run it through the food mill the next day. I've showed several times how I use the Victorio food mill, but if you're new, here's my setup. I have my food mill here with the tomatoes. I have a pot there with the strainer. This is to strain off even more juice to make it thicker. That way I don't have to cook it down anymore. And I have another pot to put the sauce in. I have a bowl underneath to catch the pulp from the tomatoes. And I have a towel on the floor to catch any drips. I just take the tomatoes, put it in the hopper. It comes with a plunger to push down the food if you need it. You turn the handle and it squeezes out the pulp. Then the peels and the seeds go out the other end there. And I gotta get a bowl to catch those seeds and skins. Yep, that happened. Okay, let's try that again. Here I'm straining the juice off of the sauce. That way I don't have to cook all that juice off and it won't be wasted. Here's the sauce after it's been strained. Daniel wanted to come in and help. This just is one of his favorite things to do during canning season. Here's the sauce and the juice. All we got to do is heat it up and get it in our jars. I have my jars hot in the canner. I'm putting a tablespoon of lemon juice in. It's 2 tablespoons per quart, 1 per pint. You need this for your acidity in your tomatoes. You don't have to put salt, but I'm putting a half a teaspoon of salt, and it's a teaspoon per quart. Then you fill the jar to a 1/4 inch headspace. Then I'm going to debubble and then check my headspace again. Then I'll wipe the rim of the jar, put a lid on and a ring, and put it in the canner. My water bath canner holds 9 jars. I'm going to put a lid on, bring it up to a rolling boil, and I'm above 1,000 feet, so I need to process for 40 minutes. And there you have it, tomato sauce to put on the shelves. I have several more batches to go. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.